Layong palakasin ng micro, small and medium enterprises ng National Food Fair ng Department of Trade and Industry. Habang pinangunahan pa ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang paglulunsad sa bagong Pilipinas Marketplace na magsisilbing online platform para sa produktong Pilipino. May report si Harley Valbuena.
Bumisita mismo si President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa National Food Fair ng Department of Trade and Industry sa SM Mega Mall sa Mandaluyong City. Kasama ng Pangulo, sina First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, Presidential son Vinnie Marcos at iba pang opisyal. Layunin ng event na palakasin ang micro, small and medium enterprises na nagbebenta ng mga pagkaing Pinoy. Magbubukas ito ng maraming oportunidad at magbibigay daan sa pagpasok ng karagdagang investment sa Pilipinas.
Such initiatives and support stands as essential pillars in ensuring that our MSMEs remain competitive in an ever-changing market. With these efforts to strengthen our local industries, we are indeed positioning the Philippines as a prime investment destination.
Pinangunahan din ng Pangulo ang paglulunsad sa bagong Pilipinas Marketplace na magsisilbing online platform para sa produktong Pilipino.
It is an initiative set to become a robust business-to-business e-commerce platform that will highlight the products and services that are proudly Filipino.
Hindi simpleng food exhibit ang National Food Fair. Ibinida rin dito ang culture, community at creativity.
We are also opening opportunities for our food entrepreneurs, our communities, and of course, our heritage.
Nakiisa sa National Food Fair ang nasa 250 Pinoy food-based MSMEs na mula sa iba't ibang lalawigan. Dinaluhan din ito ng iba't ibang personalidad. Ikinatuwa naman ng local food business owners ang programa ng gobyerno. Umaasa silang mas lalawak pa ang market ng kanilang mga produkto.
Malaking tulong sir sa feature sa National Food Fair para mas lalong ma-feature pa yung mga products na yung mga local products. It will be up for us and also to other MSMEs just like us.
We're trying to bring the flavors of Cagayan de Oro here in Metro Manila, and then this would really help us, start the business here in Metro Manila.
Hanggang April 13 ang National Food Fair sa SM Mega Mall. Harley Valbuena para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.